Alright, we've got her in a different cage. Just her by herself. I'm gonna just take this sugar water with this essential oil in it. Gotta spray down between the frames. And I'm gonna spray her. Make sure she's good and soaked. Yep, she's good and soaked. Install her just like that. Close the lid and come back in about 3 days and see what we got.